I can't walk past today's feature plant without plucking a leaf and smelling it. It's utterly divine, and it's Australia's answer to cinnamon. Please excuse my bit of a croaky voice. I've got a bit of a cold. It's that time of year. So here we have Cinnamon Myrtle, and you can see, oh no, stop. This is a 90-second native. So I have to start the clock before I can actually tell you anything about this plant. So start the clock now. Right, so you can see first of all that it has beautiful new growth. It's like a bronzy color, which is gorgeous in a hedge, and it's actually a great hedging plant, or it makes a lovely feature tree that will grow anywhere from 3 to 7 meters in cultivation. Now, usually in the wild, it can grow up to 20 meters, but that doesn't happen as much in gardens. It can be found naturally growing from Fraser Island in Queensland all the way down to Biggar on the south coast of New South Wales. It's a rainforest plant, but it's often found in those dry rainforests. It's also known as ironwood or never break, so that gives you an idea of how tough this little shrub is. Well, tree, I should say. It's a shrub in my garden. Now, you can use it in cooking. It makes a great substitute for cinnamon if you dry and powder the leaves, but it also has notes of nutmeg, and it actually has the same essential oil as nutmeg. So this beautiful plant can be used as a hedge or feature tree. I said that already. I keep mine healthy by giving it sprays of molasses mixed with water, and that's in another video if you're interested. And I'm pretty sure, looking at the clock, time's up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share this video to support the channel. Let me know if you'd like me to cover a specific native at any point, and I will see you next time when we get into it in the garden again.